Are you ready for the rough?
Hello YouTube, welcome back to the third part in the tutorial on how to make a weebly website. Since I've gone, I think you'll notice that I've changed the background, and also the navigation bar. It was this orange little triangle thingy. I've changed it to, well, it was meant to be a dog tag, but they were too big and I didn't really have time to resize them. But I'm just going to show you how to do that, and also how to get rid of the footer at the bottom, which is gone at the moment. I'll show you how I've done that. So basically, you just want to go design, edit HTML. This is pretty much the difficult thing about making a website, and when you think about it, it's not really that hard. So you want to go down to the first bit that says footer to get rid of the footer at the bottom. It will just come like this, and all you want to do is make a gap at the top. Just put in visibility, colon, space hidden, semicolon, and just save that, and it gets rid of it at the bottom. I'm just going to edit it again, and now I'm just going to show you how to change the background. Navigation bars, there will be a few of these, and you can just change the pictures to whatever you want, but I'm going to show you how to change the body. Basically what you do is you add new file, and I'm just going to go on this folder, and a good thing to use is YouTube backgrounds, because it's got like a good border each side and spaces in the middle for your text and pictures. And you want to make sure for the body it's called body BG, so just right click and rename it that, otherwise it won't work. Open it, it loads it up, and then it changes it. So that's really simple. And to edit it, basically you can go on the, if you can find it, the header and the wrapper and things like that, and just change it, and it will make this area bigger, smaller, and things like that. The navigation bar obviously was this. I'm going to show you. That's what the image is meant to be, so dog tags, but they're too big. So if you can find like a good image, maybe a pencil, whatever you want, you just make sure it's called navbg. That's it, navbg. Rename it, import it, and it'll become like that. So as I say, this is pretty much the hardest thing in making it, and it's not difficult when you think about it. A good thing to look for is repetition in the text. So float left, that's the left column to make these like this. So say you wanted them on the right, you just change it to right, and you can see that maybe if you find one that says float right. I don't know if there's any, but if you changed it, it would go to the other side. And it's just simple things like that. Changing these numbers makes it bigger, smaller, things like that. The font size, I could change that to 2 and there'd be midget. Just things like this. I'm only going into brief detail. I could go through each one, but I'd rather just keep it brief, because this is mainly the things that you need to know. The header, which is just this bit up here, things like that. So basically that's it. It's not very difficult, but if you've got any questions, just ask. Yeah, so everything you'll need is in the description with all my videos. I'll put my website in to see what it could look like. So yeah, that's it really. I hope all of this has helped. It's really simple, and you can have a website going in 20 minutes. Simple. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. Comment, rate and subscribe.